Let's look at the 3700 Kubernetes monitoring related questions asked by developers in 2020 on Stack Overflow. Here they are categorized, and we see the largest category to the top left is Kubernetes as a generalized category. We go to the bottom of that, we see the second largest one is Google Kubernetes Engine, Prometheus, Grafana, Kubernetes Helm, Docker. So no real surprises here. Now let's add a dimension and take a little walk. So here, the higher one of those skyscrapers is, the more views did it receive, or did that question that it represents receive. So we see here, that's a general Kubernetes related question that I'm just highlighting. It's about CoreOS and Helm. Let's look at that other large one. That's a Kubernetes YAML question, 1600 views. Then here we see another Prometheus operator related one, and here another CoreOS one. So let's look into another category. Here are the Google Kubernetes Engine questions. There's one that sticks out a little bit, is Google Kubernetes Engine Prometheus. That got a lot of views here, and another one that's a more generalized question. Down here, Prometheus question specifically. We can't really tell much from that other than there were Google Kubernetes Engine related Prometheus questions here. This one is about the alert manager. Let's move a little bit in another area. Oh, look at that here, CoreOS. So that light green area is CoreOS. This here is just a Kubernetes CoreOS Helm related topic that developers were discussing. Let's see what else there is. So the dark blue is the general area because there aren't enough categories. So we can look at what general questions are sticking out. Like, for example, this one is on the Prometheus operator. This one is on YAML again. This here, SkyDNS, persistent volumes, Windows. Here, Azure Service Fabric. So let's move around, see if there's anything else that may be interesting over there. Oh yeah, look, that area is entirely hidden here. OpenShift. So we have an OpenShift question, just a general OpenShift Kubernetes monitoring question. Yeah, so there's a little cluster of those. And let's see if we see anything else. Let's zoom in a little bit. Maybe let's see what those two are. Oh, auto scaling, kubectl heapster, and Kubernetes heapster. Okay. And yeah, let's see from the back here. Prometheus, alert manager. Those are again the standard Kubernetes questions. Oh, here's an Elasticsearch one, and here's a cluster on Google-centric Kubernetes questions that we can see here. Yeah, and in the middle is our red Docker cluster. So let's look at the most interesting Docker questions. That was one on CoreOS here, and one on Istio. And here's one on Azure Service Fabric and Mesos Console. So those were the most interesting Azure questions that were related to Kubernetes monitoring. Okay, that was our quick walk through the Kubernetes land of monitoring.